welcome to another Mind Blow mini lesson with Miss Hoover. Today we are talking context clues. So our I can statement is I can figure out the meaning of an unknown word by using clues from the text. Materials needed today. You need your Chromebook, your chapter book, your context clues brochure.
I didn't get that.
And I guess Suri wanted to be part of my video. And a positive can-do attitude. Here we go. So I used the book How to Train Your Dragon for my example. Let's quick talk about what context clues are. So when we use context clues, we're looking for clues in the actual sentence and in the sentence that's around the unknown word. So some sentence starters to use while talking with context clues. I think the word blank means blank because I don't know the word blank, but I think it means, and here's why, okay? So in How to Train Your Dragon, I just took a little part from page 105, and I'm going to read it for you really quickly right now. Despite old Wrinkly's gloomy forecast of terrible storms and typhoons, it was gloriously hot June day with not even a hint of a cloud in the offing. Okay, so there are a couple words there that could have tripped me up. The one I chose was typhoons. So I wrote, I didn't know what typhoons were. And so what I did was I made an inference based on the beginning part of that sentence. So despite old Wrinkly's gloomy forecast of terrible storms and typhoons. So see how typhoons was kind of partnered or paired with terrible storms? I know that typhoons relates to bad weather. And I know that How to Train Your Dragon, the setting of this is near the ocean. So the inference that I made based on the text and my prior knowledge was I know that typhoons relates to bad weather near the ocean. Okay, so if you come across a word you don't know, and most likely I'll set you up so there might be a couple in this chapter, you're going to use context clues to figure it out. Some other ways that you can figure out unknown words besides making an inference, if you know the synonym or antonym of that, remember synonym is the same meaning, antonym is the opposite. If you know a word part, so let's say you know the prefix or suffix of the word and you know what that means. For example, the word biology, the prefix bio means life, and ology would be the study of life. You see how I can put those things together? So if I saw something in the text like biosphere, I know it would be talking about life somehow. You can use the definition. I would rather you not try that. You can look it up at the end to see if you're right. But if you need to, if you're really, really stuck, take a look at that definition. See if there is an example you can provide or an example you've experienced in your own life. And if there's another way you can figure it out, do that and just tell me how you did it. All right, so feel free to come see me if you have any questions. Otherwise, I know you can find the meaning of those unknown words. Good luck.